This is my Airzound rechargeable bike horn. This device helps deter wild beasts lurking in the forest while riding on my bike. The Airzound rechargeable bike horn is also useful for alerting pesky humans that aren't paying attention on the bike trails. This video shows how I installed the device and how well the horn works. First step is to mount the Velcro holder to the bike tube using the zip ties provided. Now let's install the Airzound reservoir to the Velcro holder using the Velcro strips provided. Install the horn clamp onto the handlebar using rubber shims supplied. Now we can secure the horn to the clamp by sliding it onto the correct notches and grooves. We can also secure any excess tubing that will get in the way. I am very impressed with the Airzound horn. You can turn the knob on the horn from high to low. I am going to keep mine on high forever. I really want to be safe and alert humans and wild beasts that I am in the area. Maximum. Low. Recharging the Airzound horn is easy. You can refill the system using a bicycle pump or air compressor up to 80 psi.